Hi, I'm Pamela. I was born and raised in Brazil. I'm here to practice my English, recording some videos for this channel. Today I will share with you how to learn a language, any language, from scratch. Step 1, define your why. Why do you want to learn a language? Is it for travel, for your job, for love? Or maybe just because you love the culture? You have to get this clear in your mind. Why? Because when things get hard, and trust me, they will, your why will keep you going. Choose one method to begin. And we have a lot of resources to study, like apps, books, ChatGPT, YouTube channels. Choose one simple method and stick to it. Start learning the basics like reading, simple sentences, common words, phrasal verbs. Just get familiar with how the language sounds. Focus on daily contact, not perfection. You need to input the language first, so you don't need to study for hours. What you need is daily contact, listening. You have to practice your listening a lot. Even 10 or 15 minutes a day can change everything. As I said before, step 4, learn like a child. Input first. Input is important. So children don't speak on day one. They spend months listening, just inputting the language. So you have to do the same. Step 5, use the 80-20 rule. Focus on what really matters. Learn the top 100, 300 words. Master the key verbs: to be, to go, to want, to like, and practice everyday topics. Introductions, ordering food, asking for help. You will get 80% of the results with just 20% of effort. Work smarter than harder. With this, you will able to start getting your first steps to learn a language.